Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talk often about Windows updates and, the way that it is done, and often people, end up sometimes force shutting down their PC because they think it's stuck and it doesn't work, when in reality it is okay. So Microsoft actually is trying something in some of the insider rings right now, and it has to do with the background process for the Windows Update Orchestrator. That basically is what downloads and checks for Windows updates and applies them. They have modified that part of Windows so that hopefully the percentage of download or install will reflect much closer to reality of where it is in the process. The idea behind this, of course, is to improve the information so that people will know that something's happening. Try to prevent, the stuck at 40% for 20 minutes and people think nothing is happening. So they're going to be trying different things with that to improve the Windows Update process. Now, they're saying that another thing that they're going to be doing with this is making sure that when the update process is over, that the cleanup of what's left behind is going to be faster. And this is to make Windows faster, quicker after each update. One of the complaints a lot of people have is when they do a Windows update, for a certain amount of time after the Windows update, they feel that their PC is sluggish. And that has to do with a couple of things: the cleanup of what's left behind, and also the fact that, sometimes the system wants to see what are the new files and go through them. So they are really going to try to make this better. So it's being tested in the insider rings, and hopefully it's going to make it to everybody. And maybe we'll have a better Windows Update experience, especially now that with AI, there are so much new security flaws, so many new security flaws that Microsoft is actually saying, you better install the updates because for security, it would be important. So we'll be looking at that, and hopefully that will run on our systems at some point and improve Windows Update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.